Standard First, Subject EVS. Dear students, today we are going to learn a new chapter, but first we will revise what we have learned in the previous lesson. We have learned about our food. In that, we have learned about cereals, pulses, vegetables, salads, oil, fruit, and milk, etc. So students, now let us learn about new topic, that is our clothes. So students, we all wear different types of clothes in different season. So students, now let us see what they have given in this lesson. We need clothes to cover our body so as to protect ourselves from heat, cold and rain. Clean clothes make us look smart. So we should wear clean and proper clothes which are comfortable. We should wear different kinds of clothes according to the seasons and occasions. So students, now tell me, how many seasons are there? Very good. There are 3 seasons. Which are they? Very good. They are rainy season, winter season and summer season. So students, now first we will see is clothes in summer season. It is very hot in summer season. We perspire a lot. So we should wear light colored cotton clothes. They make us feel cool and comfortable. Further we will see clothes in rainy season. So students, now tell me, what types of things do we use in rainy season? Very good. We use raincoat, caps, gumboots and umbrella in rainy season. It rains heavily in rainy season. So we should wear raincoats, caps and gumboots to protect us from the rain. We can carry umbrellas too. Further we will see about clothes in winter season. So students, now tell me, what types of clothes do you wear in winter season? Very good. You all wear sweaters, scarf, socks and gloves, etc. So students, it is very cold in winter season. So we should wear warm woolen clothes like sweaters to keep ourselves warm. Further, we will see about party and festival clothes. We wear colorful party dresses for different occasions. So students, when we celebrate our birthday or there is a wedding celebration in our house, we wear new styles of clothes. Traditional clothes are worn during festivals. If there is an annual day in our school, we take part in a dance and we wear different types of traditional clothes. And also when there are festivals, we wear different stylish clothes. Last one we will see is uniform. Children wear school uniform when they go to school. They do not wear them at home. At home, they wear their different clothes. People working in the police, military, and hospitals also wear different uniforms. So, students, I hope you all must have understood this lesson. Students, now let us remember what we have learned in this lesson. First one, wear clothes according to the seasons. Second one, always wear clean and tidy clothes. Third one, take good care of your clothes. Fourth one, change your clothes more often during the rainy season. Thank you, students.